Oh yeah, great day. This is for my people who stand firm in the face of trouble. Rastafari come first. My humble people do Jah work despite all the heat, violence and thirst. Sins of the evil prosper while the poor go through sufferation more and more. But there is an end to the pain and the uproar. Money lenders in the temple get a blow. All the false leaders will not learn until their images and riches turn to dirt. With the peacemakers, keepers of the earth, watching over the boys and the girls. Vatican won't touch them this time. Prophecy revealed, just say watch for the sign. Hypocrites and vampires rule all the while. Humble and the meek, anointed and the wise, paralyzed and so we receive 1,000-fold. I say one day, it's gonna be payday. Oh yeah, great day. Oh yeah, one day, it's gonna be payday. Oh yeah, great day. Oh yeah, one day,